Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. What's new, what's actually useful, and whether this phone is about to shake up the flagship space in 2026. So let's jump straight in. We're talking a new 3nm processor, a sharper 200 megapixel camera, faster LPDDR5X RAM, improved battery tech, and smoother display performance. But the real question is it worth upgrading? Let's find out. Design. So first up, design. Samsung is expected to stick with that premium squared-off Ultra look, metal frame, Gorilla Glass, clean camera rings, but with slightly improved durability. Not crazy thin, not crazy bulky. Just a solid premium flagship feel. And honestly, it looks classy. Display. Now the display is pure Samsung magic. We're looking at a 6.8 to 6.9 inch dynamic AMOLED 2X QHD Plus 1 to 120 Hz LTPO panel, super smooth scrolling, insanely bright outdoor visibility, and crystal clear HDR performance. If you're into gaming, content watching, or even editing on your phone, this thing is a dream. Processor, let's talk power. The S26 Ultra is expected to ship with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy in the USA, and this is a 3nm monster, better graphics, better thermal control, faster AI processing, and just smoother everything. Plus, Samsung is pairing it with LPDDR5X RAM, which means apps load faster, multitasking is cleaner, and gaming feels buttery smooth. This is a performance phone, no question. Camera, now, the camera system, the part everyone waits for. We're expecting a 200 megapixel main sensor, improved low-light performance, cleaner detail, and sharper textures. Alongside that, a 50 megapixel ultra-wide and upgraded telephoto persiscope zoom options, possibly 5 times or 10 times. Better AI image processing means richer colors, less noise, and way more natural skin tones. If you shoot photos, TikTok, short films, or YouTube content, this camera is going to be a beast. Battery and charging. Battery life is getting a nice bump too. Rumors suggest around a 5,400 mAh battery with up to 60-watt charging. Not crazy fast like some Chinese brands, but definitely an upgrade from Samsung's older models. Expect longer screen-on time and more efficient power usage thanks to the 3nm chip. Software and AI. Samsung is also pushing AI features harder than ever. Expect smarter photo editing, better voice-to-action commands, more accurate suggestions, and cleaner One UI animations. With the upgraded NPU, AI tasks like background removal, object cloning, and quick edits will feel instant, pretty exciting stuff. Price and release. Now the big question, price. Based on the current leaks, the S26 Ultra is expected to land around $1,099 to $1,399, depending on storage launch window. Likely January to March 2026 during Samsung's usual Unpacked event. And honestly, if these upgrades hold true, the price will make sense. Verdict. So here's the final verdict. The Galaxy S26 Ultra looks like a genuinely meaningful upgrade, bigger sensor, smarter AI, better battery life, and massive performance gains. If you're into photography, gaming, content creation, or just want a top-tier flagship, this thing might be the phone to beat in 2026. But if you're satisfied with your current device, you might want to wait for real-world tests before pulling the trigger. Thanks for watching. Drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments. Which part of the S26 Ultra excites you the most? The camera, the new chip, or the battery upgrade? I'll see you in the next one.